I'll share a simple and effective nighttime skincare routine using natural ingredients you already have at home. This routine will leave your skin feeling clean, nourished, and ready to repair overnight. Cleansing milk is a gentle natural cleanser that removes dirt and makeup while hydrating the skin. Simply dip a cotton pad in cold milk and use it to wipe your face and neck. Rinse with lukewarm water after you are done. Next is exfoliation to remove dead skin cells and promote smoother skin. Mix 1 teaspoon of sugar with 1 teaspoon of honey. Gently massage this scrub onto damp skin in circular motions, focusing on areas prone to dryness or dullness, then rinse it off with warm water. After exfoliating, it's time to tone. Rose water helps balance your skin's pH, tighten pores, and refresh your skin. Now, let's hydrate. Aloe vera gel is lightweight, soothing, and deeply hydrating. Apply a thin layer to your skin and massage it in gently. Use a small amount of coconut oil or almond oil to seal in the hydration and nourish your skin while you sleep. And that's it's a simple and effective nighttime skincare routine using natural, home-friendly ingredients. Your skin will feel fresh, nourished, and ready to glow in the morning. If you found this routine helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your favorite step in the comments below.